Alright, today is Friday and it's already 3 o'clock. Oh boy. Clean table. Okay, forget the Mo57 so the edge over there. Okay. Clean table, washed floor. Nice. It's not full dry. DAZA. Gaskets, crankshaft, turbo I think, dual mass flywheel. The old pistons I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna use the old connecting rods. It's fine. There is no problem at all. Pistons, new, and all the rest here. And this is not all of them. We have parts also outside. This is related to the engine. And don't forget. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. That's for me. So let's start with the crankshaft. Crankshaft bearings to check the clearance. Okay. Do I forget something? No. Clean table, washed floor, yeah, classic like all the time. So why I'm not continuing with the Mo57? Because the Mo57 I haven't prepared the cylinder heads. That's why. So I have prepared the cylinder head for the DAZA. I wrap it, I put on a nylon, has a carton, on a rubber. Why don't continue with that, right? And it's 5 cylinders, it's not a V8. It's gonna be much faster. You hear that? I have this all day. All fucking day. All day. New crankshaft. The crankshaft bearing caps. There is a single one here. And there are 2 here. 2 that are missing from here. The one that I show you. And there is only 1 here. All the rest are in place. Beautiful. Excellent. Then crankshaft main bearings here. Connecting rod bearings, not for now. Thrust washers, upper and lower. Other way around, right? Yeah. Upper and lower. Yeah. Where am I now? Blue, violet, blue. Okay. And let's see the crankshaft. I'm starting with the crankshaft. After that, it's gonna be the piston gap. It's gonna be the balancing for the connectors and the pistons. They're not the one that I'm using usually, and they have some run out. I'm gonna try to match the weight like always. Anyhow, the classic things what you see all the time. These guys, they will never gonna stop. Yay! Amazing. And this is a brand new, fresh crankshaft for DAZA. We have all lowers blue. Okay, has some dirt on it. When we're gonna finish with the plastic case, I'm gonna go to clean it to be nice, to don't have oil, to be oil free. Okay. All right. Moving on. Okay, crank main blue, violet, all the other blue, that's the upper, all blue, the lower as per the crank, thrust washers, the boxes are there. Now, I have mentioned this 1,000,000 times. Out of the box, because in a carton box, has some dirt on it, has some pieces on it. You see? Need to be washed. I'm just saying, to be nice and dry and clean. Alright, upper bearings in place, lower bearings, crankshaft I already show you, thrust washers, okay, plastic gates, straightforward. Alright, torque down. Let's open it to see the results. You cannot move it. Crankshaft out. We are looking good. We are looking excellent. I was not expecting something less than this, to be honest. We are looking beautiful. All of them equal. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now, I'm gonna remove the main bearings. I'm gonna write from the other side number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay? Because I want to put again the same order. Since it's nice and fine, I don't want to mix it up. I'm gonna clean also the lower one. Alright? When it comes to time, I'm gonna check for the thrust washers to give me correct clearance. Like always, when I have up and lower thrust washers, first I'm checking with the lower only to see how much it's moving, and without removing the crankshaft and the tool, I'm putting also the upper, sorry. I'm putting first the upper, then I'm checking it, and then I'm putting the lower, and I'm checking it again. Just in case, to make the same movement front and back with the upper and the lower. I hope that makes sense, and I'm saying this now because I might forget to put it on the video. Okay? Moving on. Alright, now I show you the crankshaft. I took it out. I brought some parts here. I didn't uncover it yet. I have a reason. Engine block here. The special tool, I love it. Pistoning, stop pistoning, second pistoning. This is a stock piston. This is just only to square the pistoning inside. I don't want to use the new pistons. Okay. Connecting rods, wrist pin, safe. I haven't finished yet with the pistons and connecting rods. Alright. I was willing to start now with the pistoning gap, but they stopped me and I have to go out. Let's see how much time I'm gonna spend outside, and if I come early inside, I'm gonna continue the video. Otherwise, see you tomorrow.